Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about what's wrong with this person's nails. I'll give you a moment to think about it while we see incredible nail clipping and trimming procedures. If you think of it, please leave the answer in the comments. While you watch, please click subscribe and the bell for notifications. The condition is called ram's horn nail or onychogryphosis, which is a nail disease that causes one side of the nail to grow faster than the other. The nickname for this disease is ram's horn because the nails are thick and curvy, like the horns of a ram. Onychogryphosis mostly affects the toes, specifically the big toes. Ram's horn nails can develop at a variety of ages, depending on the underlying cause. It can be especially problematic for young adults and older adults. If you think you may have onychogryphosis, you should seek treatment. Hey folks, get rid of those blemishes like a pro with this 7-piece pimple popping kit. It has high-quality, full-size tools, a variety of specialized ends including a lancet, and a handy case for easy storage and travel. See the Amazon link below, it ships quickly from the USA.